So we are officially packing up and moving to Washington. Super exciting. We're leaving in a week exactly, and my garage is a total disaster. I've outgrown the space, obviously. You know, we've got bikes, I've got stuff for Discover Adventure Camps here, snowboards, we've got stuff. Like, this place, I think, is maxed out. It's kind of a disaster right now. Normally I try to keep it high and tight, but I've just become overwhelmed. So yeah, lots of stuff to clear out, all this gear and a storage unit. So plan for today is to get this stuff organized here, pull stuff out of the trailer, put it in here, then bring my trailer to the storage unit and see how much space we actually have to make this move possible. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a lot. Wish us luck. So of course I managed to lose the key for the trailer lock, so I'm gonna use the universal key here. Let's see how it goes.
Dude, that's way too easy.
That's concerningly easy.
That's concerning. All right. 20 seconds later, we're in.
Exactly 25 seconds.
Yeah,
wow, that's not very assuring, but
dude, we should use this thing on more trailers.
So we are taking the Alaska trailer that I built last year and lived in, and we're turning it into a moving trailer. But then once we get to the property, because we're gonna be trying to rent out the cabin, this is also gonna be our home. So we're gonna buy this crazy huge property and live in this trailer because we can't afford it. But that's all we can afford to do. So that's our harebrained idea. Hopefully it works. We'll see how Sophia does. It's a recipe for something.
it'll make for an interesting story.
It's gonna have highs and lows, that's for sure. Like, this thing's cozy for one grimy boy in Alaska. You know, me plus Sophia plus Kicker plus her cat. It's gonna be interesting, but it'll be good. I'm excited. We'll make it work.
It's pretty cozy, honestly, if you ask me.
Yeah.
It's a nice trailer.
Yeah, it's a nice trailer.
Look at that.
Look at that.
The rug really just complements it.
The rug brings it all together.
It really does.
We are doing it. Slow and sure, but moving sucks. Never moved, you know? Oh, Jesus. A lot of inertia there. A lot of inertia to worry about. Alright. Now we're at the storage unit. Gonna try to fill as much of our stuff in that'll fit in here. So, wish us luck. Also, extra storage, total scam. They hit you with a $50 introductory rate and then they 3x it in the course of just a couple months. Not cool. So, not too bad. Got a bunch of it so far. So this is what you call ADD hyperfocus. When you get into something, you just go all in. You buy $2,000 worth of materials and then quit. That's what I did. I guess I bought a house, my first house. And so I put this aside till a decade from now. Here are some of my paintings though. Really beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
One of these. That one's kind of cool, I guess.
Yeah, with the clear on.
Yeah, clear coat. This one, that's a bird.
It's a bird.
That's a fucking phoenix. It's a nice bird. These are all available for sale. Name your price. Signed, original, 1 of 1. Highest bidder. I'll take. I need it. Whatever you guys can afford, please. Just take them off my hands. Just plop it on there and let it fold on itself.
Yeah, there you go. It's right on there.
Dude, this is a way better system than Sophia and I did. This is just men doing manly things.
Yep. Just getting shit done. Efficiency is what we like to call this.
And we look cool while doing it. Sorry, Sophia. I know this fit's expensive. Oh, nice, nice. Nice. I think we can probably just grab the handles. Okay. Is that in? Cool. Well, that is everything loaded up. At least all Sophia's stuff. Now just my stuff all needs to fit in here too. Should be no problem, right? Like a dirt bike, snowmobile, table saw, chop saw, and then all my gear. We're gonna be making 2 trips. So it's time to pack up my garage. It's like 100 degrees out. Not trying to be cool, but yeah, trying to pack up all my tools right now. See how this goes. This is crazy. It's so crazy to be moving from here. This is my first house. I put so much work into this place. Yeah, emotional. The shop part of it's weird, but excited to have a mega shop.
Well, definitely feels more real now. Here's the start of a very long 750-mile journey to Washington. So we'll be towing the car again, like we did cross country, but this time with a slightly smaller truck, which I think will make it a little more manageable. So 15-footer, I think it's pretty much a brand new rig. All right, here we go. T-minus 2 days till departure. It is currently the 30th. Tomorrow's the birthday, and then on the 1st, we're out. So wild, absolutely wild. I don't know how to feel about it yet. Almost fully ready.
Almost ready.
Almost ready. Kicky Dog's always ready. What's up, buddy? He's gonna be waking up in a different spot tomorrow, or actually tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. We're there.
Kind of hard to believe, honestly.
It's so hard to believe.
Like, I've only been here 2 years. He's been here
20.
20.
Not here, but in Utah. From Massachusetts, 20 years. Closing up this chapter, opening up the next. It's gonna be the second half of the book. It's gonna be like The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings, the last of the 3 each movie. It's gonna be that action-packed.
Tight squeeze.
How'd it go? Oh, jeez. It's a freaking party. It's so hot out.
Good. It's hot. I just thinking about it on the way. I'm like, how the f are we gonna? There's so much to pack still.
Yep.
Maybe we've done 10%.
Yeah, we've got a lot packed. Still got a lot to go. It's 101 degrees. There's like a heat dome. Feeling like I'm gonna vomit, so I'm gonna work on my office and close now. Now for the office. Should be easy, right? We got Kicker, Meister, Kicker. Are you bringing your thing? Or are you being a shy boy?
Oh, are you gonna pack that
Wiggle the butt. Nice, a heavy breather.
Good job, Kicker. You're fully packed. What else can you pack?
That's been my office for the last 2 years. This room didn't exist. This wall wasn't there. This was all the mechanical room. I moved the panel, the water heater, all that stuff, and then consolidated it into a more tight little space here. But yeah, anyways, time to clean up. Yeah, you ready? He's ready to rock. Woohoo! Nice. Powered by Ford, baby. All right, just like that, packed up. 20 years in Utah, end of an era, heading to Trout Lake, Washington to live out the dream of living on in a cabin off-grid in the woods.
We have no official mailing address, no electricity when we get there, no water that's not contaminated.
It's not like those are basic human needs.
Yeah, nothing basic, but we have the vibes. So that's what we're providing.
We got the vision, we've got an amazing crew. It's been a lot of work to get here and a lot of risk, and it's still very scary, and hopefully we can make this work. So super excited, a little bit terrified, but yeah, on to the next chapter.
I'm afraid of cats. It's gonna be fine. I promise. I got you. We're gonna do this. I promise you. I will not let this fail.
We're in the fucking woods.